Hey there, it's Ice Age Day, Ice Age TV Day, and what are we doing today? We're driving the GT350, and wow, you know, I've been riding around that Dodge Challenger pack, and to jump into this GT350, it's a huge, it's huge difference. I mean, number one, this vehicle is like 3,700 pounds, and the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack is 4,300 pounds. But you know what's crazy is the clutch. It is so light in this GT350. I mean, it's like a featherweight. It's just crazy. I mean, it is so light. I can honestly see why guys upgrade and put a little heavier clutch in this thing, because it's like driving my Honda Civic, my previous Honda Civic Type R. So, but this car here, it is just so, it's just a huge difference in weight, and you just feel it. So, today is go pick up the Indian Day, my Indian motorcycle, that is. Not an Indian. That could be many different things, couldn't it? Huh? So, as far as my kids are wearing her GT350 hat, she's going to be able to drive this here very shortly. So, I don't have my headset set up. I don't have my headset set up on my my helmet, my GoPro Max. I left that dang thing back home, so I really like to do some videos on my bikes. I got to do that.
But you said you don't want to ride.
Tennessee, it's been raining, it's been wet down here in this area, and it just isn't the most enjoyable time of year to ride. So, but I get it. She wants to go ride on a motorcycle. I got 2 different projects going on. It makes that work at this moment. But anyways, I'm just going to pick up my Indian Chieftain Elite series, where I just had them put on my Stage 1 air cleaner, which I have a video on how to do this stuff. I have a video on my Dark Horse Roadmaster, and it was one of my first not first, but very early beginnings of me making videos, and it's kind of a lousy video because I had music in the background. People complain about that, but I know how to do it. But these guys here at State Line Indian that we're going to, their labor rates are so great. To me, it's like, you know what? Here's an air cleaner. You guys put it on. I'll sit back and just let you guys get a donation to the payroll of the business. So I'm going to pick it up. It did that here, I don't know, I guess about 3 weeks ago. And the weather's been so rainy down here and wet that I just don't want to ride in the rain. If you're a motorcyclist and you've ridden in the rain, you get all that conversation. Anyways, just enjoying the GT350 today. Daughter gets to drive
Green.
Daughter likes to tell me how to drive all the time. What's that all about, right? So I said we should do the GT350 and the Dodge Scat Pack Challenger Gold Rush. We should do some driving, back roading on those, and do some free-spirited run with that. I think she'd like that idea. But the question is, which vehicle would she want to drive if we did that?
Challenger.
Oh, wow. She's only drive the Challenger, let her daddy drive the
But I drove
Mustang.
this before, so I'd want to try the Challenger.
Okay, there you go.
To change it up.
To change it up. All right. Here.
Dad,
hold
look!
it. I know, I see it.
Dad,
My daughter's making fun of the sticker up here. What's it say?
What's that crappy smell? It's Bristol.
Hold this. Yes, my daughter's laughing at the Bristol sticker down here. Bristol, Virginia, or Bristol, Tennessee? I think Bristol, Tennessee is pretty cool. Now, Bristol, Virginia, I don't know. That's a whole different world. That's crazy from just go over state line. Bristol, there's a Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia. They're partners. And
Dad, there's a cop.
Okay, what am I doing? Am I like racing or something? Where's the cop?
Right there.
Oh my goodness gracious, yikes. Alright, so we're getting close here to the Indian dealer as the kid shakes the phone everywhere. Hey, how's that videography going for my daughter, huh? Is she a future YouTuber? I don't know about you guys, gals, and what the heck is going on, right? Yikes. So, yeah, they'll probably be closed today for New Year's Eve. All right, flip it around. You can see the point. Get the picture of the trailer over there. Jeez, I tell you, this, you know, you'd think the younger generation would be better at videography than me. All these smart devices.
They're closed.
Yeah, they're closed. Just a lot of cars here, but they're closed. The positive child. Gee, thanks. All right, well, let's get up here and get the bike out. Watch you say, well, service is closed, so you can't get your bike out.
You know, you say I'm negative, but you're the one coming up with all this stuff.
Yeah, great.
I don't get you that.
All right, let's see here.
3, 2, 1, we're off.
All right, here she is, all chromed out. It's incredible. All my other bikes are all blacked out, and this one's all chromed out. So there's that new Stage 1 air cleaner setup. Here's the old one. Use that 116 emblem. So we take that outside and put it in my car. Right? Let's get her some rock. There you go. How do you like that Stage 1?
That sounds good.
It sounds real good. Those Vance and Hines, or the Reinhardts. Those Reinhardts